Alright, today I'm taking a look at the hollow wall anchor tool set. That's pretty cool. So you actually got a little case with it. And this is the setting tool. So it has semi-rubbery handles, which is nice. It kind of feels good in the hand. Then on the top we got that prying tool, so when I squeeze the handle, that pulls back. And then on the back, we have 652 millimeters, 665, 537, 552, 446, 460, and 565 millimeter wall anchors. So quite a variety. So for this example, I drilled a 3/8 hole in this compression board. And just press that through. Then I'm just going to hook the head of that screw and squeeze. And when I do that, this is going to pop out. There we go. Just like that. So now on the back side, the anchor has spread itself out, so that's going to hold on no problem. And on the front, the teeth have engaged, so I can take this screw out and drop whatever I'm anchoring to the wall over this hole. Put this bolt on, screw it down. We'll have a nice threaded hole that's made out of metal to hold whatever that is up. So great little wall anchors.